Hey there, book lovers and finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to Book Summary and Reviews. In today's video, we're diving into two of the most popular finance books out there, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki and The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. If you're looking to boost your financial literacy, but can't decide which book to read, stick around. We'll break down the key concepts, compare their approaches, and help you decide which one aligns with your financial goals. Let's get started. First up, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. This book is a classic in personal finance literature. It tells the story of Kiyosaki's two fathers, his real dad, the poor dad, and his best friend's dad, the rich dad. Through their contrasting philosophies on money and investing, Kiyosaki shares valuable lessons on financial education, investing, and building wealth. Next, we have The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book explores the complex relationship between people and money through 19 short stories. Housel delves into how emotions, biases, and personal history shape our financial decisions, offering timeless lessons on wealth, greed, and happiness. Now, let's dive deeper into what makes these books unique and how they approach financial education. Rich Dad Poor Dad emphasizes the importance of financial education and the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki introduces concepts like the cash flow quadrant and the significance of investing in assets that generate passive income. The Psychology of Money focuses on the behavioral aspects of finance. Housel explains how financial success is not just about knowledge, but also about how you behave with money. Key principles include the role of luck and risk, the impact of compounding, and the importance of having a margin of safety. Kiyosaki's approach in Rich Dad Poor Dad is more practical, with actionable advice on real estate investing, entrepreneurship, and financial independence. He uses storytelling to make complex financial concepts accessible. On the other hand, Housel's The Psychology of Money takes a more reflective approach. He combines history, psychology, and personal anecdotes to highlight how our attitudes and behaviors influence our financial outcomes. Rich Dad Poor Dad encourages a mindset shift from earning to investing. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of thinking like an investor and continuously seeking financial education. In contrast, The Psychology of Money emphasizes understanding your own financial psychology. Housel suggests that mastering your behavior with money, like avoiding herd mentality and understanding your own financial needs, is crucial for long-term success. Kiyosaki provides specific strategies like investing in real estate, starting a business, and understanding tax advantages. His book is filled with practical steps to achieve financial freedom. Housel offers timeless wisdom rather than step-by-step advice. He encourages readers to save consistently, invest for the long term, and be aware of their financial biases. Here's my take on both books. Rich Dad Poor Dad is incredibly motivational and can be a game changer for those new to financial literacy. Its straightforward advice on investing and building wealth is practical and actionable. However, some of the advice may feel repetitive, and the focus is heavily on real estate. The Psychology of Money is a thought-provoking read that offers deep insights into the human side of finance. It's less about specific financial tactics and more about understanding why we make the financial decisions we do. It's a great read for anyone interested in the behavioral aspects of money. Personally, I found both books to be enlightening in different ways. Rich Dad Poor Dad pushed me to think about my financial goals and take action, while The Psychology of Money helped me understand the importance of mindset and behavior in achieving those goals. So, who should read each book? Rich Dad Poor Dad is perfect for beginners in personal finance, aspiring entrepreneurs, and those looking to understand the basics of investing. If you're motivated by actionable advice and real-life examples, this book is for you. The Psychology of Money is ideal for those who are interested in the psychological and behavioral aspects of finance. If you enjoy reflective reading and want to understand the deeper reasons behind financial success and failure, this book will resonate with you. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki is a great starting point for those new to financial education. Its practical advice on investing, the importance of financial literacy, and the differentiation between assets and liabilities provide a solid foundation for building wealth. If you're looking for actionable steps and motivation to start your journey toward financial independence, this book is a must-read. On the other hand, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel delves into the emotional and psychological aspects of financial decisions. It offers timeless wisdom through engaging stories that highlight how our behaviors and attitudes towards money impact our financial success. If you're interested in understanding the deeper reasons behind why people make the financial choices they do, and want to gain insights into achieving long-term financial well-being, this book will resonate with you. Ultimately, the choice between these two books depends on your personal finance goals and interests. If you're aiming for a practical guide to building wealth and need a push to get started, go for Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you're looking to understand the behavioral aspects of money and want to reflect on your financial habits, The Psychology of Money is the book for you. Why not read both? Each book complements the other, providing a well-rounded perspective on personal finance. By combining the practical strategies from Rich Dad Poor Dad with the behavioral insights from The Psychology of Money, you can develop a comprehensive approach to managing your finances. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which book are you more excited to read? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and reviews that can help you on your journey to financial literacy. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And if you're interested in more content like this, check out our other videos where we dive into more personal finance and self-help books and offer tips to improve yourself and your financial knowledge. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.